In today's video, I'm going to share with you my top 5 cold email templates for getting clients. I'm the cold email king. We've sent millions of cold emails. I've generated tens of millions of dollars in revenue using cold email. And in today's video, I just want to show you what works. There's too much fluff on YouTube. So let me just show you the exact scripts that you can use right now to take your cold email campaigns to the next level. Stick around. This is going to be a good one. With that being said, let's go through the top 5 cold email scripts that you can use right now. And before we jump into it, I see that a lot of you haven't subscribed yet. So I would really love to have that chart be the exact opposite of what it is right now. So make sure that if you haven't subscribed yet, that you go ahead and subscribe down below. We do a ton of great content about cold email sales, growing your agency, growing your SaaS, and taking over. So if you want to see that, then go ahead and subscribe down below. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Here is the first cold email script. This is for selling Google ads, and it was for selling Google ads to rehab facilities in the United States. So here are 2 subject lines that you can test. I have quick question and help. And I would A/B test these if I was to pick one of these. Hi, first name, huge fan of the work you do. At company name, you're really changing lives. We've been running Google ads for 12 years and have filled over 11,000 beds for rehab facilities. We're honored so many in the behavioral health industry have chosen us to achieve their mission of helping addicts and families overcome addiction. I would love to discuss your Google Ads account and see if we can identify any easy wins. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Easy. What does this email do right? Well, it follows the 3 C's. Compliment, case study, call to action. And that's all you need. By the way, if this is too much information overload for you and you need a cold email 101, on why cold email is a superpower, why you should learn it, then I would actually check out this recommended video because it's going to give you the 101. This is more of a intermediate to advanced tactic video. Now let's roll on to the next one. This is a cold email script for e-commerce marketing, selling marketing to e-commerce stores. Subject, company name. And make sure the company name doesn't have LLCs, doesn't have Inc., doesn't have any of that stuff. Make sure it reads natural. And for doing that automatically, I highly recommend grabbing your leads from LeadShark. Subject, company name. Hey, name, huge fan of company name. My wife loves the shoes. Anyway, it made me want to reach out to you. I help e-commerce stores get more organic customers and would love to do the same for you. For instance, a client of ours just went from 0 to 30,000 visitors last year. Let's hop on a call. Would love to do similar for company name or give you free advice. Thanks, Alex Berman. This email again opens with a compliment. Huge fan of company name. My wife loves the shoes. Anyway, it made me want to reach out to you. What I love about this first line is it's very e-commerce specific and shoe store specific, but it does not require hours and hours of personalization. All you need is to personalize the lead list, only find shoe stores or apparel companies that sell shoes. And then all you need to do is customize the company name, which is very easy. And every single lead database you find has company name, including LeadShark. So this is an email that you could easily scale up without needing to write custom first lines. And then the rest of it does follow the 3 C's, where you have the compliment, then the case study, and the call to action at the bottom. Next up, we have a script for app development. Hey, first name, custom compliment. And that custom compliment would be something like, hey, Mark, congrats on your recent election to city treasurer. Loved the campaign you ran. Something custom for each person. I've been working with city governments over the last 7 years to update their legacy applications and would love to discuss rewriting your tax collection software to streamline the programs and add new features. Just wrapped the project with the City of San Diego Treasury Department. The application we built calculates how much tax is due to the city and a back office system that allows Treasury officers to more efficiently collect taxes. Mind if I send a few times to talk further? Would love to do similar for city. Thanks, Alex Berman. So for you, if you were writing a cold email script like this, rather than copy pasting exactly what we just said, think about one of your past case studies, your biggest success, and try to scale that. Find people that are similar to that company that you can pitch the same software to. The next script is for selling marketing services. Subject, good rating on Yelp. Hi, Stefan. I see your company name on Yelp and we're very impressed that you have a great rating. Recently, we helped a hair studio in Dusseldorf that had enough clients and needed more people to work there. And we generated 9 new people in 7 days. Now I'd love to do the same for you. Are you around this week for a call? Thanks, Alex. This is the same 3 C's approach that we love to use. Compliment, case study, call to action. The target market on this was other hair salons in this country. And that's why when we call out Dusseldorf, everyone in this country knows what we're talking about. Next script is for Instagram management. Subject, from a fan. Hey, first name, love what you're posting on Instagram. Your content is awesome. You deserve much higher reach. I'd love to work with you. I've managed and grown dozens of Instagram accounts for realtors over the last few years and specialize in finding new customers, not just building followers. Mind if I send over some details of what I do? Can also give tips on how to generate more customers using Instagram for company. This is for Instagram management for realtors. And you can change that niche. Notice we're going directly for a specific use case and calling them out directly. He says he's grown and managed dozens of Instagram accounts for realtors. The only thing I would change about this, and because I don't have the consulting client in front of me right now, is I would instead call out one massive case study instead of referencing dozens of Instagram accounts. Pick one with the most results and call that out in the email instead. And the way that would look is, I've managed and grown dozens of Instagram accounts for realtors over the last few years and specialize in finding new customers, not just building followers. For instance, we just worked with Santa Barbara Realty and added 50 new inquiries in the last 2 weeks just from Instagram. You see how adding one case study is more persuasive than having dozens or being more general? Keep that in mind for your cold email campaigns. There are 5 cold email templates you can use right now. If you want them as a free download, you can get them down below. If you have more questions about lead generation or cold email, then I would recommend you join our community of hustlers and entrepreneurs that are working together to grow their agencies, grow their SaaSes using the tremendous superpower that is cold email. You can meet me, we'll talk once a week, and we can help your specific business grow. To do that, to join the community, go on over to email10k.com and sign up. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.